Hello everyone, today we are at SAii Phi Phi Island Village Resort. We are at room number 120. Let me give you a room tour. So as we enter, we have a king bed and a small sofa bed with a plushy turtle. Over here, we have a mini snack bar with some salted cashew nuts and Pringles. As we progress over here, there is a balcony. So here from the balcony, you can enjoy a nice scenic view of the beach and some speedboats which are cruising along. Let me show you the rest of the villa. We have a TV here so that you can enjoy watching some comedy or shows while you sleep on the bed. Now as we walk through this door, as you see there is a big wardrobe and a mirror so that you can see how you look. Now, as we progress further into here, there is a nice bathroom. It is very well set out. There are two sinks, hand soaps, body lotion, as well as there is a toilet. There is a bathroom over here, as well as a shower over here. Now we are at the lounge area, which is just at the entrance of the villa. So here you can just lay down and enjoy the scenery, and there is a table over here to enjoy snacks and chat with your friends. Outside of the villa, the hotel has added a nice strut so that when you come from the beach, you can clean your feet before entering into the villa.